Okay, next I'm going to install with Jake these stretcher boards. I kind of talked about those before. There's two of them. This one's 5 inches wide. This one's 3.5. And the wider one has the holes that go completely through the top and into these cam fittings. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to start with the narrower one, which will be on the front. And you'll notice that one side is finished and the other side is not finished. And the unfinished side has those connecting those cam fittings. We're going to lay this down on the finished side, slide it between these two side boards and up into those cam fittings, and then tighten those down. So that unfinished side is toward me or up, and so it won't be seen. Now I'll grab this 5-inch stretcher, and again, we're going to make sure that those connecting bolts or cam fittings are up. So the unfinished side will be up, and we'll just tighten those down.